Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning my carpet. So if y'all want to see how my carpet went from looking like this to this, then just keep on watching. Okay y'all, so the stain in my carpet is pretty dark, so it pretty much stands out, especially with my carpet being gray. So to get it clean, I'm going to be using this Whip It. It's a multi-purpose stain remover, and it's good for like those stubborn set-in stains. And this stain has been in my carpet for a while, so I decided to go ahead and do this video today showing y'all how well this product works. So the direction says to spray it down, wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then scrub with a cloth. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then I'll be back. Alright y'all, so it's been about 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and start scrubbing. So y'all, this product was gifted to me from a hotel guest because I used to work as a housekeeper. So she was leaving out of her room this particular day, and I was in the hallway. So she saw me and asked, was I going to be cleaning that particular room? And I told her yes, and she said that she left like 2 bottles of the solution in the room for whoever was going to be cleaning the room. So she basically explained how the product worked, and she said that she was an ambassador for the product. So she said that it's good for like removing all type of stains and stuff. I have only used it on my carpet, by the way, so I haven't tried it on anything else, but it's a great stain remover. So when I tried it the first time, y'all, it worked like a charm. So but yeah, the product, it works good. Like I say, this is a set-in stain, and it says that you can like spray as much as you need. I like to be a little extra sometimes, so I'm going over it probably like one more time, and I think it should be good. But yeah, that's basically how I was introduced to the product. Okay y'all, so I went over it maybe about 3 times. So my carpet is kind of wet right now, so what I'm gonna do is just let it air dry. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but I'll just keep checking on it. So whenever it finish drying, then I'll come back and show y'all the end result. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick update of what the carpet is looking like. So it's been over 24 hours since I cleaned it, so this is what it's looking like. And I just wanted to show y'all that the Whip It spray is effective in getting like stains out of carpet, set-in stains, and stuff like that. I have only used it on my carpet, so I'm sure it works for other stuff. So I wanted to show y'all like a quick comparison on my carpet real quick, because I got a lot of stains in my carpet. So right here, I know y'all can tell the difference. So I got a spot here, spot there, one right there, and a big circle like right there. So I'm definitely going to be using it in that area and on these 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna stand back a little bit so y'all can definitely see like side by side the difference. But this could use like a little bit more, but It is lighter than it was before I sprayed it. So I just wanted to, show y'all that it is effective in getting, stains, out the carpet. So again, this is the product. It's called the Amazing Whip It. It's a multi-purpose stain remover. When I run out of this, I'll be, purchasing some more. So they do have it on Amazon, so you can definitely order this off of, Amazon. So most of y'all may be familiar with this already, but so for those of you that are not familiar with it, this is what I've been using to get, the stains out my carpet. So yeah, that's pretty much the before and after, of my carpet. So if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all would like to see more videos from me, make sure y'all like, comment, don't forget to, subscribe for more. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.